Welcome to JSR DevOps YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to installation of Node Exporter and what is the purpose of Node Exporter. Node Exporter is a lightweight application often deployed on Linux host that collects and exports system level metrics in a format compatible with Prometheus. The main usage of Node Exporter, it will connect wide range of metric including CPU utilization, memory usage, disk input, output, network traffic, and some more benefits it has. And also the main benefits of this node exporter, by collecting system level metrics, node exporter helps monitor the health and performance individual host, identify potential bottlenecks, and alert on critical issues. So I will show you in this session how to installation of node exporter. So for that I will go through official website, that is prometheus.io. Here we have download option available. If you scroll down uh, here, node exporter, node underscore exporter, I will install in this my Ubuntu Linux machine. So I'll choose this OS. So I'll copy the link and paste here. So it takes time to download. After completion of download, it will show node exporter in the tar file only. So untar this file by using tar xvzf node underscore exporter. If you go this, so after untar it, this node exporter, the directory it will show like this, cd underscore node exporter. For security, I will create the user for the node exporter. First that I will run this command to create node user. I will copy this command. I will clear the screen. Node user. If you go and check /etc password, so it will show node user is created. So once node user created, then I'll follow these steps. I'll provide this node exporter. After, go to the directory node exporter. In the node explorer, it has script like node underscore exporter. So I will copy this node underscore exporter to in bin directory /user local bin. Once you copy, so you have to give the owner permission. So I am providing owner permission to node exporter. If you go and check cd/user/local bin ll, it has node exporter owner permission to execute the script. After copy node exporter to bin directory, so we have to start the node exporter service. So for that, in the etc/systemd system underscore under the node underscore exporter dot service, I created this file. So it does not have initially this node underscore exporter file inside of the system. So I'll create this node exporter dot service to start the node exporter. So I'll create it and give the configuration details. The user of this is the service. User is node user and group is node user. Type simple, and where we have to start the node exporter. So I start this node exporter user local bin. So default install wanted by default dot target. So I give this configuration inside of node underscore exporter. So that file is created here, node underscore exporter dot service. So after given, so I will save this file. After save and come out, so daemon reload, I use these commands system daemon rexec, and after daemon reload, so start node exporter by using systemctl start node exporter and enable node exporter. It will create the link. So after check the status by using systemctl status underscore node exporter, it show the active state only. So once it will show active state, so I'm go to do my public IP and providing the default port is 9100. So this is the node exporter, and how to configure this node exporter in the Prometheus. So this is the official website how to configure node exporter. So I'll give this all the links in my description, please go through it. So if you will go this config in this website, so it will show how to configure Prometheus node exporter. It will show clearly. So for that, I am go to this prometheus.ml /etc prometheus.ml. So in previous session, I showed how to installation of Prometheus. So here the prometheus.ml file. After entering into this file, we have to do some configurations. So I copy this one and paste here. Target and give my public IP. Save and come out. So how to import this node exporter in Grafana? Once configured successful, then I restart my Prometheus. This is my Grafana dashboard, and click on dashboard, new, and import. You can import the ID by using 1860 1860. So we show the node exporter full. So import Prometheus source where it is Prometheus 1 or Prometheus 2. I showed you previous section how to configure Prometheus and Grafana. So this is the way of installation of node underscore exporter, and it will show all the CPU, system, RAM, swap, root, everything. It will show like this. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please uh, keep in comment section. I will try to give answer to your queries. Thank you. Thanks for watching.